A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain very important problems in signals and system. The problem number 1. The function of one or more variable which conveys information on the nature of physical phenomenon is called signal. Next problem. If a continuous line signal x of t can take on any value in the continuous interval minus infinity to infinity, it is called analog signal. Third, which of the following functions represents parabolic characteristics? Parabolic characteristics means squared value. Next, what does the function f of t plotted in figure represent? Unit impulse function. Unit impulse function has the value on t is equal to 0 only. So next problem. The ramp function can be obtained from unit impulse at t is equal to 0 by. Actually, 4 different function signals are there. First one is impulse, then step, then ramp and parabolic. If we integrate the impulse, we get the step function. Again one time integrate this, we get ramp function. Again one time we get the parabolic. So parabolic is differentiated to get ramp, ramp is differentiated to get step, and step is differentiated, we get the impulse function. So this is differentiation and this one is integration. So the ramp function can be obtained from the unit impulse at t is equal to 0 by taking integration 2 times the derivative of parabolic function. So derivative of parabolic function we get ramp function. A unit impulse function is defined as a pulse of area 1. Always the unit impulse function as the area 1. The pulse is compressed along horizontal axis and stretched along vertical axis. Then differentiating this unit step function, we get unit impulse function. And del of t equal to 0, this is the representation of unit impulse function. T is not equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, we get the impulse function. So remaining value that is not equal to 0, the impulse function also 0. So all the answers are correct. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Next we are going to see the next problem. If the unit step response of network is 1 minus e power minus at, then is unit impulse response. So step response to impulse response. How to find out? Differentiating this. Okay. So how to take the differentiation? 1 minus e power minus at. So differentiating with respect to t. So we get what? The impulse response. So 0 minus of minus a in the e power minus at. So a e power minus at is the correct answer. Next, the mathematical model of the below shown signal is values are given. So first of all, I am going to draw u of t. So this signal, that is u of t. T is equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is u of t. And next, I am going to draw u of t minus 2. Okay, here this is u of t minus 2 signal. Now this is inverted. So u of minus of t minus 2. So inverted signal. So u of 2 minus t. So u of 2 minus t is the correct answer. Next problem. Consider the following functions for the rectangular voltage pulse shown in figure. So here 4 options are given: u of t minus a minus u of t minus b. First of all, I am going to draw this. First, this is y of u of t minus a. And see another signal, that is u of t minus b. Okay. So u of t minus a minus u of t minus b, the answer is correct. And next, u of b minus t. So this is t minus b, and here u of inverted signal, u of b minus t. Here u of a minus t, also correct. U of a minus t. So this is also a correct answer. And then next one is u of b minus t. This is u of b minus t into u of t minus a. This is also a correct answer. The third one is correct. And the last one is u of a minus t. U of a minus t is this one. This is a. And u of t minus b is this one. So this is u of t minus b. This is u of a minus t. There is no value. So fourth one is wrong one. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Next problem. The function shown in the figure can be represented as, first this signal. Okay, this is the signal. First one, that is u of t. And second one magnitude, that is down, that is decreasing order. So minus u of, this one is u of t minus t. This is u of t, and minus is decreasing order. So u of t minus t, plus this is the ramp. This is not a step, this is a ramp. Again increasing. So t minus t plus t with one magnitude. So t minus t divided by t, u of t minus t. Correct. And next, another one ramp is added, subtracted here. Then only we get the horizontal line. So minus t minus 2t by t, u of t minus 2t. So the first option A is the correct answer. So next problem, given f of t and g of t are shown below. The first one is f of t, and second one signal is g of t. G of t can be expressed as, see, f of t, the first value is 0, second is 1. Here 3 and 2. So first 0 is multiplied with 2, again it is added with 3. 1 is multiplied with 2, again added with 3. So multiplied with 2 means t by 2. Added with 3 means minus 3. So this is the correct answer. So g of t equal to f of t minus 2 minus 3 is the correct answer. Then Laplace transform of g of t. G of t equal to 3 and 5. So how to represent this? G of t equal to u of t minus 3. So this signal is t minus 3, and this signal is t minus 5. So minus, so reducing order. So minus u of t minus 5. Okay, how to write this? Apply the Laplace transformation here. So e power minus 3s divided by s, because this is a unit step function. If you take a Laplace transformation of 1, we get 1 by s. So e power minus 3s by s, here e power minus 5s divided by s. So this is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. The value minus infinity to plus infinity, e power minus t del of 2t minus t, 2t minus 2 dt. Del t is the Dirac delta function. So already we know the answer, del of t minus t naught into x of t, that is minus infinity to plus infinity, the answer is x of t minus x of t naught. So this is the answer. See here t and here 2t minus 2. So what about your answer? E power minus 2 is the correct answer. So instead of t, you have to put t naught. T naught is 2 here. 1 by 2e is the correct answer. And next, the value of the integral I is equal to 1 to 2 5t square plus 1 del of t. So here what about t naught? T naught equal to 0. And what about the answer? Here there is no function. The answer may be 0. And next, the period of the function cos pi by 4 into t minus 1 is. How to find out the period? Period is 2 pi by omega is the equation to find out the period. So 2 pi by, what is the omega value? That is pi by 4. Now pi and pi get cancelled. 2 divided by 1 by 4, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 seconds. So 8 seconds is the correct answer. So the next problem, the period of signal x of t 10 sine 12 phi t plus 4 cos 18 phi t is. So here I am going to find out the time period. So here first of all I am going to find out the time period t1. So the formula is 2 pi by omega. So omega is 12 pi. So 2 pi by 12 pi, that is equal to 1 by 6. T2 is what? T2 is also 2 pi by omega. So 2 pi by 18 pi here. Omega is 18 pi. So 18 pi, that is 1 by 9. Now I am going to find out T1 by T2. So whether it is rational or not. So 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 9. So 9 divided by 6, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. So T1 by T2 equal to the rational number. 1.5 is the rational number. 3 by 2. Now T is equal to 2T1 equal to 3T2. So T is equal to what? 2 into T1 is 1 by 6. No. 3 into T2 also 1 by 9. So the answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3 seconds. Then the signal x1 of t and x2 of t constitute real and imaginary parts respectively of the complex valued signal x2 of x of t. So x of t is what? x1 of t plus the imaginary value x2 of t. x1 of t is a symmetric and x2 of t is anti-symmetric. So symmetric means x1 of t equal to x1 of minus t. And x2 of t is anti-symmetric means minus x2 of minus t. Okay, minus x2 of t. So what is the equation now? x1 of minus t plus minus j into x2 of minus t. Now see here, this is the complex conjugate. So conjugate symmetric is the correct answer. Next, consider two signals. x1 of t is e power j20t, x2 of t is e power minus 2 plus jt. Which of the following statement is correct? First, I am going to take x1 of t and I have to find out whether it is periodic or not. So, find out t is equal to 2 pi by 20. Okay, here 2 pi by 20. So 2 pi by 20 is the periodic signal. So first one is periodic and second e power x2 of t is equal to e power minus 2 plus j into t. I am going to rewrite like this: e power minus 2t into e power jt. So e power minus 2t, how to write e power jt? That is sin t plus cos t plus j sin t. So now see this equation. This is not a periodic one. So x1 is periodic, x2 of t is periodic, and x1 of t is not periodic. Okay, periodic. X1 of t is periodic, correct? Not this one. X2 of t is not periodic. This is the correct answer. Problem. The sum of two or more arbitrary sinusoids. So sum of two or more arbitrary sinusoids is periodic. Under the certain condition means two or the ratio between two should be the rational numbers. Rational. T1 to divided by T2 should be rational, then only it is periodic. The function f of t into u of t is shifted to the right side by t0, then the function can be expressed as shifted to the right side by t0. So you have to replace t by t0, so t minus t0. That is the correct answer, shifted to the right. So f of t minus t0 into u of t minus t0 is the correct answer. Then x1 of t is 2 sin pi t plus cos 4 pi t. x2 of t is sin 5 pi t plus 3 sin 13 pi t. Then, so first take the signal number 1. Here find out t1. t1 is 2 pi by pi. What is t2? t2 is 2 pi divided by 4 pi. So now 2 get pi get cancelled. Here 1 by 2. Now t1 by t2. What is the answer? 2 divided by 1 by 2. It is a rational number. So this one is periodic. And x2 of t, take this. So t1 equal to 2 pi by 5 pi. t2 is 2 pi divided by 13 pi. So pi get cancelled, pi get cancelled. So t1 by t2, that is equal to 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 13. So 2 by 5 into 13 by 2. So 10. So this is also a rational number. So x1 and x2 both are periodic. A is the correct answer. Next, which one of the following is the periodic one? See the first one, the A, that is 2 pi divided by 10 pi, that is T1. What is T2? 2 pi divided by 20 pi. So pi get cancelled. T1 is 1 by 5 and T2 is 1 by 10. So T1 by T2 is 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 10. So 1 by 5 into 10, so 2. So the first one is the correct answer, is the periodic one. Next, what is the period of sinusoidal signal? X of n is 5 cos 0.2 phi n. Here we are going to find out the period. So t is equal to what? 2 pi by omega into m. Here n is used. What is omega? 0.2 pi into m. Pi cancel. 1 by 0.1, that is 10 into m. So n by m is what? That is equal to 10. Thank you. The remaining problem I'll continue in part 2. Have a nice day.